The recent brain surgery of Hrithik Roshan that took place after he injured himself while filming a stunt on his latest film Bang Bang has cast a spotlight on the confidence of the Bollywood actors for performing risky stunts on their own. Do you think that Bollywood actors should now be more careful while doing stunts? Do let us know. Moving over to your favorite show, Bollywood This Week. Catch the most happening events in this segment of Parties and Events. Rakesh Roshan and Dr. B.K. Mishra spoke about Hrithik Roshan's brain injury on the day of his surgery.
हुआ क्या था कि ही वॉज शूटिंग फॉर बैंग बैंग फुकेत में, बैंकॉक में। तो वहाँ पे कुछ स्टंट कर रहा था वो, उसको सर पे चोट लगी। तो वहाँ शूटिंग ख़त्म करके 8 दिन और शूटिंग की वहाँ पे, बाकी सारे सीन वगैरह ख़त्म करके जब बॉम्बे आया तो परसों रात को कुछ 10 साढ़े 10 बजे उसने मेरी वाइफ से कहा कि आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेरी कंफर्टेबल, समथिंग इज़ रॉन्ग इनसाइड आई नो। एंड वी इमीडिएटली took a decision to go to Dr. Mishra. We got himself admitted yesterday night, and Dr. Mishra did the operation, and it was successful.
Chitrangada Singh and Karan Kundra launched the 3rd season of the TV show Gumrah in New Delhi.
अगर आप कहीं फंस जाते हैं, अगर कुछ हो जाता है, जैसे आजकल लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर्क एंड लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स वर्क, एंड नॉट जस्ट गर्ल्स, आई थिंक कोई भी हो, आई मीन इवन किड्स फॉर दैट मैटर, यू नो, एनीवन, इफ यू गेट स्टक एंड यू वांट दोस 4 पीपल टू नो वेयर यू आर, you know, and so you can press this button. And what I really liked was कि जब तक आप उसको deactivate नहीं करते हैं, every 2 minutes there'll be message going out to those 4 people of where you are.
So currently mobile penetration in this country is about 650 million people, which is more than, it's almost 65% of the country's population. Currently more than 80% of all phones being sold are smartphones. So smartphones have become as cheap as 3,500 rupees. So even entry level phones are smartphones which can all support this application. Out of that, 60-65% are Android phones. So Android is by far the largest platform that's happening not just in the country but around the world. So we believe that this is not going to be limited to a small number of users, but it is going to be a giant mass application.
The team of Police Giri attended the premiere of their film, which was also graced by friends and well-wishers from the industry.
We're all really missing him a lot, you know. I know that he put in a lot of effort into this film. I'm happy that he's the person who actually suggested this idea. He said to come up with this. I'm just hoping that when he sees the outcome, he's happy that, you know, it turned out like this.
कुछ सीन्स मुझे पता है जो उन्होंने लास्ट मोमेंट शूट किए थे। जब मैंने देखा तो मुझे एक वक्त के लिए ऐसा लगा कि एक आदमी का इतना स्ट्रेसफुल टाइम है और हाउ ही हैज़ डन दिस, इट मेड मी लिटिल इमोशनल, बट देन आई नो, यू नो, संजू इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, सो थैंक यू।
आदमी उसे मिस करता है जो आपके दिल से गायब हो जाता है। हमारे दिल में है और फिर पर्दे के ऊपर अपना कमाल तो दिखाएगा ही कल, मगर हमारे साथ में वो हमेशा रहता है, यादें उसकी हमारे साथ में हैं।
Ayushmann Khurrana unveiled the latest issue of Men's Health magazine.
I saw this award function where Salman Khan was taking everyone's place on stage. The biggest of superstars were really scared. He called you up on stage and made you sing, and you blew him away. Yes, which was fabulous. Are you going to sing for us today?
माहिया नहाया मेरा, माहिया नहाया, रांझना नहाया मेरा, माहिया नहाया, माहिया नहाया मेरा, रांझना नहाया, अखां दा नूर देख के अखियां चो हंजूर दे।
अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि जितनी भी मेंस की जो मैगजीन होती हैं, उसे औरतें देखती हैं और जितनी भी फीमेल मैगजीन होती हैं उसे अक्सर लड़के देखते हैं। तो आपने अपने यंग एज में या अभी कभी आप छुप छुपा के कोई फीमेल मैगजीन देखते हैं?
यार आपने मेरी फिल्म देखी होगी विकी डोनर, तो वहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स मैगजीन काफ़ी आप पढ़ते हुए जब आप क्या बोलूँ मैं इसके बारे में। आई थिंक हर के ग्रोइंग एज में हर कोई इंसान पढ़ता है ऐसी मैगजीन, बहुत नेचुरल नॉर्मल है।
Over to your favorite itsy bitsy interviews. Ranveer Singh clarifies that contrary to rumours, Sanjay Leela Bhansali treated him very nicely on the sets of Ram Leela.
You know, you can see him as an obsessive maniac, or you can see him as a passionate director. I see him as a passionate director. He loves me. He's never shouted at me. He gives me so much space and support. He treats me like his baby, you know, and that's why I feel like I just want to give it everything.
Jacqueline Fernandez on bagging the film Cake opposite Salman Khan.
I was genuinely telling you that, oh God, I wish in one lifetime, you know, I'd be able to kind of work opposite, you know, Salman Khan. And then, so, you know, you can imagine like my own shock and disbelief when I was offered the film, because it wasn't even just any other film. It was Kick, you know.
Prateek speaks about his love for Salman Khan.
Salman Khan Zindabad. Salman Khan Zindabad.
Right.
It's all about that Salman Khan love for me.
You're a child in here.
Right.
I'm a child in here, and for Salman Bhai, I'm an even bigger child. And I'm so grateful to him. I'm so grateful to him that he's liked our trailer. And he's shown a bit of support.
It's goodbye time, folks, but we leave you with our concluding fun segment, the top 5 tweets of the week. Take a look. Bollywood Hungama News Network.